Hey guys, Mrs. Smack here. I hope you're ready for the next lesson in our slope unit. Today we're going to be finding the y-intercept in various ways. So hopefully you remember that the equation for the slope, or the equation for a line, is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope, b is the y-intercept, and x and y are just points on the graph. So today we're going to be talking about finding the y-intercept. The first way you might have to find it is based on looking at a graph. Now, some people will be able to just look at the graph and kind of work backwards and figure out what the y-intercept is, and that's fine. If you can't figure out how to do it that way, you can do it mathematically using some things that we've learned before. So we have also learned that to find the slope, you can do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we're going to be using this today. We did get 2 points. If you can't see these points, this is 3, 9, and 4, 7. Okay, so first of all, in order to find the y-intercept when we don't have it or when we can't see it on the graph, you're going to need the slope and an x and y. Well, we have 2 x and y's that we could use, but we don't have the slope. So we need to find the slope using the slope formula. So I'm going to take my 2 points here, do 9 minus 7 over 4 minus 3. This gives you, this would be 7 minus 9, which gives you negative 2 over 1. So our slope is negative 2. So now I can pick one point and the slope, plug it into the y-intercept form. So my 7 is y, my slope is negative 2 times x, which was 4, so I'm just using this point right here, plus b. Now all we have to do is solve for b. So 7 equals negative 8 plus b. To solve for b, we add 8 to both sides. Sorry, I'm running out of room. Okay, b would equal 15. If this was asking for the point, then you would say the slope-intercept is at 0, 15. Sometimes you might be given a table and asked to find the same thing. So again, you just can pick 2 points. I'm going to pick this one and this one. First I'm going to find the slope, so I'm going to do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This simplifies to 9 over 3, which equals 3. So my slope equals 3. Pretty redundant here. Okay, then you just pick the point. I'm going to pick the first one and plug that in to y equals mx plus b. So y is 25, which equals the slope times x plus b, and solve your equation for b. 3 times 6 is 18, plus b. To solve for b, we subtract 18 from both sides, and 7 equals b. That means the slope-intercept is at the point 0, 7. You might also see it given to you where they give you the slope, where they give you this equation and you have to put it in y-intercept form. Then you'll be able to see what b is. So that means we have to solve for y. So I'm going to subtract the 3x from both sides. So that leaves you with 7y equals negative 3x plus 63. Then you need to divide everything by 7 to get the y by itself. So these 7's cancel, leaves you with y equals, you can leave your slope as negative 3/7, and you have x plus, and 63 divided by 7 is 9. So b, for your y-intercept, equals 9. That would be the point 0, 9 for your y-intercept. Another way it might be given to you is if it gives you the slope and it gives you a point. Again, you just use y equals mx plus b. So y in this case is 13. the slope is 4, x is 2, and we can solve for b. So 13 equals 8 plus b. Subtract 8 from both sides to get b by itself. So then you're left with 5 equals b. The y-intercept would be at the point 0, 5. Remember, the y-intercept is where the graph crosses the y-axis. Here's one more last example. Kind of a weird way to say that. One last example. Again, you just continue to use, with slope, if you know y equals mx plus b, you're pretty much golden all the time. So we have y equals -6, and then this is equal to the slope times x plus b. So -6 equals, and 3/2 times 4 is 6 plus b. So we're going to subtract the 6 from both sides. That would give you -12 equals b. So our y-intercept would be at the point 0, -12. And that is it. It's as easy as pie. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. I'll see you guys next time.